say that you will change the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you wear your hair. Change the way you dress, the way you kiss, everything.
Hi, Mkhozi. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, hi, my name is Okanye. If it's not your first time, you already know who I am. I'm sorry to be jumpy because I don't know which angle is better. But don't mind the mess. Don't mind the mess in the background. I'm currently packing and getting ready to go to Durban. We have Travel Indaba this week, and we're going to be working there this whole week. I did a simple face. I'll just put on some lip stuff and head out. I'm already late. I'm going to pick my colleague up closer to work, and then we're going to head to Durban. Come with us on this journey. And also, I haven't recovered from the weekend. My voice is still talking, and I feel like I'm coming down with the flu. But Kusiaming says I need to buy medication as soon as I get to Durban. I need to buy medication and sort my life out. Yeah, let's go, and hope you enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. Thank you.
7 o'clock on the dot, I'm in a drop top, your legs on the dashboard. Yeah. So tell me what I'm to do whenever I'm missing you. Tell me, do you love me?
Already on the road, just got off my place and heading to town. I'm late, but not too late. And angazila ainanga kahle lelikhandi liphakeme nje, but I'll deal with it. When I get there, I'll try to fix it. We are running behind time, but I'm gonna pick up a Pumla now, and then we head straight to Durban. To God be the glory if the travel is safe. And my voice, I'm gonna wear that t-shirt. That's my work t-shirt. I'm gonna wear it when I get there because a lot is still going to happen, and I don't want to get dirty because it's white. So yeah, see you, Mkhozi. Let me drive, concentrate on the road, and yeah, probably you'll see some b-rolls of us getting there, and then I'll catch up with you whenever I can.
Change the way you dress, the way you kiss, everything, 'cause you are scared that I might leave you. Oh, why should I leave you? Baby, please don't talk to me that way. Don't talk to me that way. Don't talk to me that way. 'Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are. And I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, don't you talk to me that way. Yeah, I'm sorry if I sound a little harsh, but I don't know how to get through to you.
I'm trying to get into this t-shirt. Makeup. John got. So, a quick update, Job. We have set up there. zonke izinto sezi-right. It was just a matter of me changing into my laptop and then finding parking. Angayithola bakuyithola. Namhlanje nje ngidrive njengo-taxi driver. Ngisethekwini ngidrive njengo-taxi driver because if you drive like a normal person, you're not gonna go anywhere taken. So I'm trying to do some touch-up. I'm trying to do some touch-ups, and then I need to buy an adapter to charge my laptop because I also need to work and answer emails. So yeah, almost done. This is not the best install I've ever done, but it'll have to do. Let me get quickly going and then see you on the inside. So a quick update. I need to go and look for an adapter to charge all my devices, including a laptop. And I need to get, what's this? Excuse me, I need to print a register. We forgot to print a register. So I'm going to a workshop now to get those printed and sorted out. So yeah, I don't think I'll vlog at the workshop. If I can, I'll just take these snippets. Oh wow, thank I'm back in the accommodation and I am sick. It was late there and ngiyagula. Remember I said in the morning I feel like I'm catching a flu. Ngiyagula manje, serious, ngiyagula. But I'm about to take a shower But I'm currently watching some Netflix. I'm finally watching. And then I'll take a shower and try to sleep. I don't have any medication on me. I go proud to show my because my mom always have medication. I'll have to get it tomorrow morning. Yeah. I have taken a bath and I'm about to sleep because down bed. I'll see you tomorrow. We have an early morning tomorrow, so I'll have to see you tomorrow. Yo, bye, Mkhozi. Yo. I am dying.